Hello, Chef here. Real quick recipe for you. I've got a roasted eggplant with garlic. It's going to be a spread. I'll probably put some spices and some red pepper in there as well. So follow along, real simple. Select some beautiful fresh eggplants like these. Oh, look at that beauty. Take them, sharp knife, split them right down the middle. Just like that. Alright, once you split them, do it again. Okay. Now, I got 4 uniform pieces here, looking really good. I'm going to smash some of this garlic. Oh yeah, so easy with the right tools. Take it like this, rub it all over. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Okay, and move on to the next one. Garlic peels into the stock bag. Oh, now you're learning. Okay, I got these beautiful eggplant here now, and I'm going to line them up in a roasting pan around the eggplant as well. Okay, looking really, really nice. Okay, and now I'm going to drizzle with a touch of extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit. Help get these going. Okay, and then a touch of sea salt. As well as a dash of paprika. Okay, just like this. Now, we take these and we bake them in the oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Ah, the roasted eggplant. How does that look? Yeah. So at this point, we take the eggplant pieces with the skin on, we let them cool, and then we use a spoon. We get in there and remove the flesh, like this. This is the part you're looking for. Just the really good flesh, the center flesh. Wow, is that hot. Okay? So that right there is what we're going after. Oh, don't forget all that wonderful garlic in the pan. Okay, that's going right into the container as well. Oh, yeah. As well as a tablespoon of dried parsley. Okay, and then I've got these roasted peppers that I'm putting in there as well. Alright, this goes through the food processor. Sometimes when I'm in a hurry, I use these immersion blenders instead of the food processor. So here, it's going to be fast. Of course, you got to do a tasting. Let's see what we got here. Eggplant, garlic, roasted peppers, and spice. Oh, yeah, very good. Need some more salt. Okay, to finish up this recipe, here's what we got. We've got some toasted sourdough bread. Yeah. Ooh. I'll put a little bit of this on there. This could be served as a vegetarian course or an appetizer. Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Tastes good. Ooh. And just a touch more of the paprika. that's the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking. Yeah. That's going to be good. There we go, potato chips and a side of roasted eggplant and red pepper dip. So right there, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking. Have a great day. Wow. I wanted to mention this is edge grain maple. The strips of wood run left to right. It's very functional, very nice. This is end grain maple. The pieces of wood are turned in little squares. We also call this checkerboard look. And it maintains it, repels moisture and water. So that's it. These products are in stock at your sponsor, chefdepot.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.